Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up best 6 portable mini washing machine on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon that you and your friends will absolutely love that can save you a huge amount. So don't forget to watch title to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below.
Number 6. The portable washing machine 18 pounds capacity is a versatile and efficient solution for home or apartment laundry needs. Its washer-dryer combo design allows you to wash and dry clothes in one compact unit, saving both space and time. The generous 18-pound capacity is ideal for daily laundry, handling everything from clothing to small bedding with ease. The machine is user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls for different wash and dry cycles, making it suitable for various fabric types. Its portability allows easy placement and relocation in tight spaces, perfect for apartments or small homes. Overall, this combo machine is practical, efficient, and reliable, a great investment for anyone seeking a convenient, space-saving laundry solution.
Number 5. The mini portable washing machine TEFELE is a convenient and versatile solution for small laundry needs while on the go. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, camping, or travel, allowing easy storage and portability. Despite its compact size, it effectively cleans small loads like baby clothes, underwear, and socks. The built-in spin function helps remove excess water quickly, reducing drying time. Operation is simple, making it user-friendly for anyone, even beginners. Its quiet performance ensures minimal disruption, whether at home or in shared spaces. Overall, this mini portable washer is a practical, efficient, and space-saving laundry solution ideal for travelers or anyone needing a compact and reliable machine for small loads.
Number 4. The EUHOMY 1.03 cubic foot portable washer is an excellent compact laundry solution for small spaces, apartments, or dorms. With an 8.8-pound capacity, it handles everyday clothing and delicate items with ease. The washer features 10 programs and 5 adjustable water levels, allowing customization for different fabric types and cleaning needs. Its compact design makes it easy to move and store, while the simple control panel ensures user-friendly operation. The washer is efficient, providing thorough cleaning without wasting water or energy, and it operates quietly, making it ideal for indoor use. Overall, the EUHOMY portable washer is a practical, versatile, and reliable choice for anyone seeking a small but effective laundry solution. Number 3. The portable washing machine 16-liter mini laundry washer is a versatile and convenient solution for small laundry needs. With 3 washing modes, it easily handles different fabrics and ensures a deep, thorough clean, making it perfect for underwear, socks, baby clothes, and other delicate items. The included spin basket efficiently removes excess water, speeding up drying time and saving effort. Its compact 16-liter design makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or travel, while the lightweight, portable structure allows for easy storage and movement. Easy-to-use controls and quiet operation add to its convenience. Overall, this mini washing machine is practical, efficient, and reliable, a perfect choice for anyone seeking a compact and effective laundry solution for small loads.
Number 2. The portable washing machine 16L upgraded mini laundry machine is a compact and efficient solution for small spaces and light laundry loads. Its 16-liter capacity is perfect for daily essentials like shirts, underwear, and baby clothes, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or travel. The included spin basket enhances drying efficiency, reducing moisture and saving time. This mini washer is easy to use, with simple controls for washing and spinning, and it operates quietly, making it convenient for indoor use. Its portable design allows for easy storage and relocation as needed.
Overall, this upgraded mini washing machine is practical, efficient, and user-friendly. A perfect choice for anyone seeking a compact laundry solution without sacrificing convenience or performance.
Number 1. The portable mini washing machine is a perfect solution for quickly cleaning small loads, such as underwear, socks, and baby clothes. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient for apartments, travel, or dorm rooms. Being rechargeable and cordless adds to its portability, allowing you to wash clothes anywhere without worrying about a power outlet. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly efficient, providing thorough cleaning for delicate and lightweight fabrics. The setup is simple and operation is straightforward, making it user-friendly for all ages. Overall, this mini washer is ideal for those needing a fast, convenient, and mess-free laundry solution for small items. It's practical, portable, and perfect for busy lifestyles or travel.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.